Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video we will be learning about what is all about a session and how the session is going to impact in our web application testing is the key in this video, which I am going to discuss in this video. Now we will try to understand what is a session all about. The session is nothing but it is a period of interaction between a user and a web application. The session will begin whenever user logs into the application, and this session will be ends when user logs out from that application. You can also say session timeouts due to invalid activity, due to inactivity. Sessions can impact web application testing in various different ways. One is your authentication testing will definitely impact, because sessions are normally used for managing the user authentication as well as user authorization while performing web application testing, and it is important to ensure that user is managed properly these sessions so that they have access to the appropriate features or appropriate data based on the roles and responsibilities of that user using the authorization mechanism using sessions as well. The next one is session management testing is also very key, because if you are not managed session management effectively, it may lead to session hijacking problems, session fixation problems, session timeout problems. So we should be able to manage all these issues as part of session management testing. Next one is the performance related and load testing related aspects also impact if you are not effectively do the testing on all these performance related testing and as well as load testing related area. Otherwise sessions will become a very challenging in terms of response time and utilization and also handling a bigger user base. We wanted to see whether sessions are really getting created whenever I am trying to log into the application in terms of millions of users, whenever logs in the millions of users and when logs out the million user, how the sessions are really behaving, whether sessions are getting hanged or the sessions are closing up appropriately. All those validations we should make as part of this session topic in web application testing.